A shipment reaches the warehouse, but the consignee refuses to accept it. Why? Because the bill of lading was incorrect. One small mistake, and the entire shipment is delayed. In this video, you'll learn what a bill of lading is, different types of BOL, key components explained step by step. Let's start. What is a bill of lading? A bill of lading, BOL, is a legal document issued by a carrier to a shipper, detailing type of goods, quantity, destination, terms of shipment. It performs three universally recognized functions. 1. Receipt of goods. The carrier acknowledges that goods have been received in specified condition. 2. Contract of carriage. Defines the terms under which goods are transported. 3. Document of title, in specific cases. Allows ownership of goods to be transferred, primarily in negotiable BOLs used in international trade. Importance of bill of lading in supply chain. The BOL plays a critical role in 1. Legal protection. Acts as evidence in disputes, claims, and liability issues. 2. Freight cost management. Includes details like weight, freight class, and terms that directly impact pricing. 3. Shipment execution. Ensures correct delivery, routing, and handling. 4. Trade and finance. Used in letters of credit and international trade transactions. Types of bill of lading. Understanding the types of BOL is essential because each serves a different purpose in logistics and trade. 1. Straight bill of lading. Definition. A non-negotiable BOL where goods are delivered to a specific consignee. Key characteristics. Cannot be transferred. Used in domestic shipments. Example. A manufacturer ships goods directly to a retailer with no ownership transfer during transit. 2. Order bill of lading. Definition. A negotiable BOL that allows transfer of ownership. Key characteristics. Endorsed to transfer ownership. Common in international trade. Example. Used when goods are financed through a bank under a letter of credit. 3. Bearer bill of lading. Definition. Goods are delivered to whoever holds the BOL. Key characteristics. Highly negotiable. Higher risk due to lack of named consignee. 4. Seaway bill. Definition. A non-negotiable document used in ocean freight. Key characteristics. Faster release of goods. No need for original document at destination. 5. Inland bill of lading. Definition. Used for transportation within a country, road, rail. Example. Truck shipment from factory to warehouse. 6. Through bill of lading. Definition. Covers multimodal transport, e.g., sea plus rail plus road. Key benefit. Single document for entire journey. 7. Electronic bill of lading, EBOL. Definition. Digital version of BOL. Benefits. Faster processing. Reduced paperwork. Improved visibility. Key components of a bill of lading. A standard BOL contains several structured fields. Understanding each is essential for accurate interpretation. 1. Shipper, consignor. Name and address of the sender. Legally responsible for shipment initiation. 2. Consignee. Final recipient of goods. Must be accurate to avoid delivery issues. 3. Notify party. Party to be informed upon arrival. Common in international shipments. 4. Carrier details. Name of logistics provider. Contact details. SCAC code, in some regions. 5. Bill of lading number. Unique shipment identifier. Used for tracking and documentation. 6. Description of goods. Includes product name, packaging type, quantity, importance, critical for handling, billing, and compliance. 7. Weight and dimensions. Gross or net weight, volume or dimensions, impact. Used for freight cost calculation and load planning. 8. Freight class commodity classification. Primarily in LTL shipments. Based on density, handling, liability. Impact directly affects pricing. 9. Freight terms. Defines payment responsibility. Prepaid, shipper pays. Collect, consignee pays. 10. Special instructions. Examples. Fragile. Temperature control. Hazardous material handling. 11. Accessorial charges. Additional services such as liftgate, detention, residential delivery. 12. Signatures. 3. Critical confirmations. Shipper, dispatch. Carrier, pickup. Consignee, delivery. These validate shipment condition. Transfer of responsibility. Practical example scenario, domestic LTL shipment. A company ships electronics. Weight, 1,200 kilograms. Freight class, 85. Terms, prepaid. Interpretation. Freight cost based on class 85. Shipper pays transportation cost. Carrier responsible once goods are picked up. Conclusion. The bill of lading, BOL, is a cornerstone of supply chain and logistics operations, serving as a legal contract, a receipt of goods, a financial and operational document. Understanding its types and components enables professionals to prevent costly errors, improve shipment accuracy, Manage freight costs effectively. Ensure compliance and accountability. For anyone entering logistics or supply chain management, mastering the BOL is a non-negotiable foundational skill. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.